The BPA-free Brita premium filtering bottle holds 26 ounces of water, and is designed with a Brita filter that fits in the straw and makes water taste great. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year. It's the convenient way to stay hydrated at home or on the go. Sleek, leak-proof filtered water bottle is car cup holder friendly, and features a built-in carrying loop, easy open lid and is top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Height 10.5, diameter 3, weight 0.5 pounds. The filter reduces chlorine, taste and odor, and more with every sip. Compatible with Brita water bottle replacement filters. For the freshest tasting water, the Brita water bottle filter should be replaced after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. 16.9 ounces water bottle. Top reviews from the United States. These are great. Being in the keto lifestyle. Yes, it is a lifestyle, not a diet. I do my best to drink at least 1 gallon of water per day. With the fact that tap water tastes like dirt here in Texas, I have bought tons of bottled water. Drinking 10 to 12 bottles per day, I started thinking about how much plastic I was adding to the environment, which isn't good. When I saw this item, I was super skeptical that it would make the dirt water taste like the refreshing Ozarka that I was accustomed to, but I bought it anyway. After using it for 2 days, I can tell you that it most definitely does just that. At 26 ounces per fill, it has also helped me to reach the goal of 1 gallon per day with ease. I highly recommend the product for those who want great tasting water straight out of the tap. Even those of us in Texas